Last summer, something powerful happened. RTPark hosted a free STEM summer camp for Virgin Islands students. Over 120 students across 2 campuses joined us and discovered curiosity, confidence, and possibility. From elementary through middle school, campers engage in hands-on STEM experiences in coding, robotics, engineering, and renewable energy. Led by local instructors and powered by possibility, the impact went far beyond the classroom. Families felt it, communities saw it. That success has fueled our vision for what's next in summer 2026. As we look ahead, we're excited to expand from 2 campuses to 3, increasing our capacity to serve up to 165 students, while continuing to deepen the quality of each experience. With the launch of our new learning management system, families will benefit from streamlined registration, progress tracking, and ongoing engagement. Guided by Breeze, our program mascot, who brings learning to life for our students. Last summer showed us what's possible when curiosity, creativity, and community come together. Join us in making the next summer even more impactful, where fun meets learning under the sun and students continue to explore, create, and grow.